Hey friends, the steps I'm about to show you come directly from the technicians working at this well-known appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to guide you through fixing it. When a customer comes in saying, "My dishwasher starts whistling right when it fills with water," the first thing we do in the shop is check the water flow. This kind of whistling usually means something is blocking or restricting the water, which is why the machine produces a high-pitched sound. Shop technicians have seen this issue happen both when filling and draining the dishwasher, so we always inspect both circuits. In many cases, the culprit is the water inlet valves. If they're partially clogged with sediment or dirt, water passes through under pressure and creates the whistling. Shop technicians always clean these valves and make sure the flow is consistent. As one customer told us, the whistling is louder when I use hot water, showing that both pressure and temperature affect the noise. Additionally, the water inlet hose can cause the problem. If it's bent or has trapped debris, the flow is forced and produces the whistling. In the shop, we always check that the hose is straight and clear of obstructions. Some customers mention it seems to whistle only when the hose is a bit twisted, giving us an immediate clue to fix it. Internal dishwasher filters also need to be checked. Food particles or residue buildup in the water injector filter can alter the flow and generate a high-pitched whistle. Shop technicians remove and clean the filters, ensuring everything is free of debris. Some customers notice the whistling gets louder when I wash very dirty dishes, which usually indicates the filters are partially blocked. In certain cases, the whistling comes from the circulation pump. If the pump blades or seals are worn, the water circulates irregularly and creates noise. Shop technicians inspect the pump and, when necessary, replace the seal or blades to restore proper, quiet flow. Some manufacturer technical bulletins confirm that even slight pump wear can cause these whistles, so it's always something we check before ruling out other causes.